Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a clickable text on Wix. Now, this is useful, especially if you want people to click on certain words to be taken to an article, a source, another page, etc. So it's very easy. We're going to double here. I have two examples just to show you. So here we're going to click on our text to get this mini taskbar right above it. Here we will find this chain icon that says link. We're going to click on it. And then here we have what, like I said before, one of the most important dialog boxes right here. So as you can see here, I'm going to go back. Studies show that using AI for data analysis can be useful for different reasons. Now, I took this from an article and I want my website visitors to be able to visit that article for more credibility or for sightings or to back up a claim. So here I took this text or this paragraph from a website, from ResearchGate. So what I want my visitors to do is click on the text or the paragraph and be taken to that website. So here I'm going to link it to a web address. So for me to link it to web address, I need to put the URL. So I'm going to the URL, I'm going to copy it and then paste it right here. After I paste it, I can add an option. Where does this open? This can open in a new window, in a curate window, etc. And then I'm going to click on done. Usually, as I'm sure you've already seen with a lot of websites, is that when a text is underlined, it actually can take you, it's clickable, it can take you somewhere. The second example I'm going to show you here, it's not for a website, but rather to a page. So here you can see pictures I took on the trip here. So I want people to go to my collections or to my portfolio page when they click on this. So again, we're going to double click, go to the link icon, and then we're going to link it. So instead of putting page right here, instead of putting website, we're going to put page. So you've already made this page. What we're going to do, we're just going to select which page we want our website visitors to go to. So I'm just going to click on portfolio or collection pages, and then you can add the option where do you want it to open. So I'm going to keep it as current window and then click on done. And then we're going to preview what we've done right here. And here, as you can see, it's the text is clickable. When I click on it, it takes me to the website I wanted. And in the second one, when I click on it, it takes me to my portfolio page that I've already set. Thank you for watching.